Hey everyone, it's Yoslin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and I'm going to be getting rid of clothes that I don't really wear anymore. I recently did a closet clean out, but I didn't film it, but I got rid of like a lot of stuff. And I just feel like I could get rid of a little bit more stuff that I don't wear. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be going through my closet and then also my wardrobe. So that's basically what this video is. So without further ado, let's get started. You guys are currently on my bed right now, but I don't have like anything that's tall enough to film this. So you guys are just going to have to be there. Also, I'm wearing pajama shorts, so let's just ignore that as well. I'm just going to be looking at the tops. Okay, I think I'm going to get rid of this one because I don't really wear it that often. It's a Brandy shirt and it says J Love Paris, which I'm pretty sure is I. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of it because I literally never wear it. I'm gonna try this one on. I've never worn it, but it is cute. It has like a cute design, but I've never worn it before. I'm not really into like graphic t-shirts. It literally still has the tag on it, but I'm gonna try it on and then I'll decide if I don't want it anymore. This is another one I think I'm gonna get rid of. I've never worn it. Guys, wait, I'm actually getting rid of a lot and I just went through my closet the other day. Okay, I'm also gonna get rid of this one. It's just a polka dot top. This top is actually really cute, but it's too small on me, so that's why I'm going to get rid of it. I found 3 more tops that I want to get rid of. So this one, it's like orange. I don't know, I kind of am tired of like patterns and stuff like that. So that's why I have that one. This one's actually kind of cute, but I remember it's kind of tight on me. It's not like the most comfortable top to wear, so that's why I'm going to get rid of it. And then I have this one, which is a Brandy top. I got this one a long time ago, and I think I've only worn it once. So I'm going to get rid of it. I'm just trying to keep basics. So I feel like a lot of these are like good basics. These two I'm not like crazy about, but I'm going to keep them just because I feel like I might wear them one day. Okay, I'm going to go on to the other side now. Okay, so now we're on this side of my closet. This side's dresses and long sleeves, so it's more like winter fall clothes. But if there's clothes I don't wear, then I'm going to get rid of it. So let's see. I have that Sabrina Carpenter song stuck in my head. Okay guys, I'm only going to keep one of these because I have 2 and I never wear either of them. This one's Anthropology, this one's Free People. I think this one's cuter. The Free People one. I like how it's like looser. Get rid of this one, which it is cute, but I just like this one more. This one I am going to get rid of. I don't know why, but every time I wear this one, I feel like it's not cute, so I'm just going to get rid of it. But like on the hanger, it looks really cute. But whenever I put it on, it just doesn't look cute. For the tops, this is everything I'm getting rid of, which I feel like is pretty good considering I already went through my closet like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, this is a pretty good amount. So now I'm going to go through my wardrobe. Okay guys, so this is my wardrobe and I'm going to be going through it. This is honestly where I keep like my newer clothes, but this is not newer clothes. So that's why I feel like I'm going to find like stuff in here. But I have like a lot of shorts and stuff like that. It's really messy, so maybe I'll organize it now. But I'm just gonna dump it all out like this and organize it better because it's like a real mess. Okay, I have these sweatpants. I'm gonna keep these. I think this one's just gonna be like all of my Brandy bottoms because I'm always looking for them. Like I always know like what I want to wear in particular. So that's what I'm gonna do. What? Wait, what? These are literally wide leg Brandy sweatpants that I didn't even know I had. Wait, I'm genuinely confused. I don't remember buying these at all. I was literally going to order more sweatpants today from them, and I have some. I organized this one, and I have a lot of things that I'm going to get rid of from here, but I'm going to show you guys those in a second. I'm going to go through this one because I actually don't know what I have in here. Like, I know it's sweatshirts, but I don't know what kind of sweatshirt. So I'm going to go through this and we're going to see together, which it's actually folded nicely, so I don't want to mess it up. Oh, I have sweaters back there. I already found 2 sweaters I'm going to get rid of from there. I don't know if I want to get rid of this one. No, actually this one's cute. I'm going to keep this one. The video was originally going to be shopping for fall clothing, but then I realized I actually don't need to shop for fall clothing because I actually have a bunch. So that's what this video originally was going to be, and then I was like, there's no way I'm going to be buying clothes when I have clothes that I don't wear. If that makes sense. Okay, so now this is all organized. I'll literally show you guys. The bottom one has my shorts, my sweatpants, and then my sweatshirts, which I actually feel like this is a good order considering summer's like going away, so summer's at the bottom, and then this is the seasons that are coming up. Into my actual wardrobe, which I actually don't think I'll get rid of anything in here because this is the clothes that I wear all the time. This is like my staple clothing, but I'll do like a quick look through and see if there's anything I don't want. Oh wait, actually guys, I do not want this shirt. Every time I wear this shirt, it looks so bad on me. I don't know why, but it's just like something about the way this shirt sits on me. It looks so bad. I've tried liking it and I can't, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. This clothes, I'm gonna be keeping just one of the shirts I'm getting rid of, which is this brandy top. I think I got it in the winter time, but I just don't like the way it looks on me, so that's the only one I'm gonna be getting rid of from here. And then my other ones I'll show you over there. I'm gonna show you guys the clothes. It's just a knitted sweater, which this is kind of cute, but I think it's like more tight fit, and I like them when they're looser. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. This one I've had for a long time and I just don't wear it. I don't know why. I think it's the color blue. I just don't really wear this type of blue. I usually wear darker blue. So first pair of shorts I have are these ones. They're just white shorts. They don't fit that good on me, so that's why I'm getting rid of them. They just look like that. Next pair are these Wild and Fable shorts. I only got rid of, oh wait, I got rid of 4 pairs of shorts. These ones, they're cute, but they just are too small for me. These are brandy shorts, but I've had them for like a year, maybe even longer, but they just don't look good on me. So the thing about me is like if I try something on one time and it doesn't look good on me, like it like looks okay on me, I'll keep it, but like I'll wear the stuff that actually looks good on me, and then this stuff just never gets worn. Then these ones are like kind of out there. Like you guys probably wouldn't think I have these shorts, but I do have them. Yellow shorts, and they're like bedazzled. They look like this. But once again, I just don't wear them. I also think these were a little small on me, if I remember. And these ones are these, which I've also never worn. And they catch, I don't know if you guys can see, they catch lint so easily. Like, I've never worn these and they just catch lint everywhere. Because I just don't wear them often, which is kind of sad. Out of my workout drawer, I'm getting rid of these things, so I'm going to show you guys them. First, I have these workout shorts, which they're nice. They're just like blue, but they're too small on me, so that's why I'm gonna get rid of them. I have this top, which this is cute, but I don't feel like it's that practical for working out. I have this one, which I just don't like at all, which just looks like this, like see-through, kinda. I have this one, which I actually wore the other day, but I don't really like it. It's just gray. This one's like okay. And then lastly, I have this one, which is just a hot pink top. So 5 things from here, which I'm actually really happy. I did a good job. This is everything I got rid of, and this was already me going through my closet once, like 2 weeks ago, and I got rid of like more stuff than this. I just didn't film it, unfortunately. I'm probably gonna take it to Plato's closet because that's what I did last time, and they actually gave me $90, which I was really surprised. So I'm gonna take all this clothes to Plato's and see if they give me money for it, and then if they don't, then I'll just take it to Goodwill. Glad I did this instead of online shop because that's what I was originally gonna do, but like now I saved money and I cleaned out my closet. And let me know any videos you guys want to see down in the comments below. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!